Welcome to my YouTube channel, Cider Shed TV. We are cooking scallop. First, clean it. After we clean it, we put it in a pot, in a clean pot. Okay, in process. After we clean it and we put in a pot, make it ready to be cooking. Okay. Okay. And the process is going. Okay, it's full. We're going to cook it. The fire is ready already. Yeah, the fire is ready. We're going to cook it now. Okay, we wait it until it finish, ready to be served. Fresh scallop. Okay guys, we wait until it finish, guys, until it open itself. And after how many minutes, and then our steam scallop is ready. So delicious. Yeah, you see it there. Wow, fresh and delicious scallop ready to be eaten. Thank you for watching, guys.